Hi, and welcome to another Python programming challenge. And today we're going to do some drawing. And just a quick thank you to everyone who's following me on YouTube. I hope you're having a great time. Please send me any comments or feedback. I'd really like to get in contact with you and help you along the way. So, anyway, let's get into it. Let's do some drawing. We're going to use the built-in turtle that's built into Python, and we're going to create a new file. Now, my challenge to you is create, with the turtle, create a red square. Make it draw a red square, okay? All right, so let's do it. If you don't know, let's do it together. So first, import turtle. It's that easy. And let's give the turtle a name. So let's put a little note, create turtle. And his name, I'm going to call him Tommy the turtle. Oops, or Timmy. Oh, Timmy will do. Timmy the turtle. There we go. Dot turtle. And that, okay, so that's calling creating the turtle there. So we're importing it, and then that initializes it. Now we're going to give him a speed. So I'll put a little note, speed of turtle. There we go. It's always good to put little notes so you know what's going on. And Timmy, let's make him go 5 for now. I think he can only go up to 99. So, but there we go. And next, what do we need? Did I say red? Yeah, okay, so let's create a pen color. So, or you can just tell Timmy what color he's going to be. Timmy.color in American. And the color is going to be red. So we'll go red. You just have to type it in. Great. And then we're going to draw a square. Now a square has 4 sides, so let's do a loop. So we'll go for number in range, and the range is going to be 4. So that'll create a for loop that'll run 4 times. Colon. And then we're going to tell Timmy. So you sort of have to visualize this in your head, what you want him to do. So forward is quite simple. It's just FD. And let's tell him how far forward to go. So let's go forward 50. And they're the pixels on the screen, I'm guessing. And then he has to, now to create a square, what kind of angle are in squares? And if you guessed 90 degrees, that's right. So we'll tell Tommy, this is how you get him to turn left to right. Dot RT 90. There we go. And that's it. So let's run it and see how it goes. Just when I record, I've got a family of 2 kids, and yeah, just when you decide to do something, everyone gets active. So here we go. So let's run it. We'll call it red, Timmy's red square. There we go. SQUARE. There we go. Save. Please work. Oh no. I called him Tommy. That's why. I was going to call him Tommy, wasn't I? Timmy. All right. So if you get that, just read through your error. It tells you where line 12. If you don't know where line 12 is, to the bottom right here, it tells you. So you can go straight there. You can even, I've tried it, but it doesn't really do it. You can go to line. Let's go to line 11. Doesn't do anything. Oh yeah, it didn't. There's the cursor there. Okay. All right, let's run that again. Okay, fingers crossed. And we've got a red square. Okay, so other challenges, make a octagon, hexagon, 12-sided shape, what else can you do? Actually, I saw this other thing. You can actually make him into a turtle. This is kind of cool. So you go. Oh, let's just do that. Okay, let's make Timmy his shape, and then we'll put in here a turtle. What if you can make him a rabbit? We'll give this a go. See if it works. I saw it somewhere. Okay. Yep, there he is. Timmy the turtle. All right, perfect. And thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed that. Very simple. See if you can turn it into fireworks. I did it really easy with Swift. It's a little bit harder in Python, but we'll get there. So I look forward to doing that with you. So let's call it a day. I'll see you next time.